San Antonio. We parked right by the Alamo. We're gonna go see that.
Hi guys, we're at the Alamo.
Alamo Rangers. It's very... Oh, the line is super short. There's Daniel Bitten.
Welcome to the Alamo Church.
Thank you.
Do not touch or lean on the wall. Thank you for visiting.
See, this is how it used to look. All that's left is right there. This is a big fort. They were defending, and they all got killed. All the Americans got killed, the Mexicans, led by Santa Anna. Heroes. Heroes of the Alamo, Commanders David Crockett, Tennessee.
Yeah. These are all the heroes of the Alamo.
Yeah, that was a long 5-hour tour. Oh. Circular stone platform. Huh.
Wait, is this kind of the wall?
See, this was a mission. It's a church. And never heard anybody say, "Remember the Alamo?"
No.
Oh.
What's that even mean?
Decline of Spanish rule. Independence.
No sabemos luego aparcar allí y nos va a costar otra vez. Entonces al final para pagar doble, pagar el Uber y no preocuparte.
The birth of the Republic of Texas, 1836. Whoa. And this is basically all that's left. Yeah, it's a big fort.
just hop the fences.
Amazing. Amazing. From republic to early statehood.
Guns are long. Is that how long it actually was?
Mm-hmm.
It's like,
Juan Nepomuceno Segundos.
you really struggled to say that, didn't you?
I did.
This is
William Travis.
I know, but like.
Hendrik Arnold. They rebuilt part of this.
Yeah.
Oh, erected by the state of Texas. Oh. Yeah, this is. Oh, this is new, 1936.
What does that mean?
Built by the state of Texas in
Oh,
1936.
so this isn't even part of the Alamo?
This is. I thought this was the church. Well, actually, the only part that survived was the church, which is what we went in. The whole fort was just destroyed.
Where'd you guys learn?
And that was the Alamo.
This is the Riverwalk here in San Antonio. Now see this river? They empty it, I believe, once or twice a year to clean it. It isn't very deep.
It's not.
A couple feet, maybe a foot. But mostly what people do down here is they shop and they eat at restaurants. See, it's just kind of.
So people stop, like, let's go buy some, like, a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, they just, you are here.
So if it's a few feet deep, then how are boats able to drive? That's please.
Where, help me. Get off
You
there,
said
please.
how many feet deep?
You are here. Where?
7 feet, maybe? That's your.
Oh, we're like right here.
My favorite animal. Can we go over there and say hi to them? Well, there's one right there. No, but there's some over there.
But after the very first restaurant on the Riverwalk,
Yeah, those two go. Oh, he's looking at me.
Cute. She's like, no, you don't.